I'm now calling our brilliant District Governor of this Rotary International District 3820, none other than District Governor Danilo Dani Ona. Alright, thank you to our Hungarian Delegation Chair, immediate past President Tony Layan, our immediate past District Governor, Dennis Sino, our District Secretary for Operations and Agrario, all the members of the Rotary Club of Lucena South, our First Class President Ronald, thank you lahat. All, good afternoon. I am really so happy about seeing you all and the volunteers doing this meal packing. This is one of a big project of our district from the district grant. So this will going to be a continuous project to alleviate hunger of our district 3820. And I know that this 30,000 meals will definitely help all, not only in our district, if ever that from other district or other part of the Philippines will need this, definitely we will going to give. I will going to let our chairman to give all this, and if we have someone needing this, I will immediately approve it on the recommendation of our chairman for this hunger alleviation. So again, thank you for all of those who have volunteered themselves about to do the meal packing of 30,000 meals. Thank you and good afternoon.
Thank you very much, District Governor Dani Ona, and to give his closing remarks. On behalf of Staff Hungry Now, may we call on stage Mr. Kike of Malaysia to give his closing remarks.
Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Mabuhay. How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Your energy level is very, very low today. Come on, how are you guys doing? Wonderful, wonderful. I think you all have done very well, and I think you should applaud yourself for being here today. Give yourself a good hand, a big hand. Now we are very honored because our new DG 3820, DJ Ona, you have helped us initiate our big project up here and assigning our Mr. Ali here, Ronaldo, the job of elevating hunger for the Rotary Club in your district. This is the first pioneer project we've done, and you have also made our US friends very, very jealous because of you doing it. Okay? So, we are very confident with the onstart of this new project, we will hit the 1 million meals very easily. Yeah, very easily. And I'm sure if you continue to pursue the objective, you will achieve it without any problem. You will achieve it. So I would like to thank you and also to inform you that we are going to be forming this Stop Hunger Now chapter in the Philippines. Stop Hunger Now in the Philippines, and we hope that we will arrive very soon, and we hope we will do more activities in the Philippines to elevate the hungry community, and more importantly to relieve the flood victim that is happening around the country right now. And I'm very, very sure with Rotary Club support, we will be able to meet the objective to elevate hunger. And to show appreciation, we would like to welcome DJ Ona, please come on stage and present this gift to you.
closing for this event, let me again express my sincerest thanks to our chairman, Tony Calayan, and to Mr. TPK for this kind of project that I know that this project is not going to just stop here, it will going to be continuous. Again, thank you very much, Mr. TPK.
Thank you. Oh, hindi pa tayo tapos. We're 2,000 years to go pa. Don't stop. Kids, we have to finish our